In this video, I'll show you how to add audio files to Clipchamp, whether it's music, voiceovers, or sound effects. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. Start by heading over to clipchamp.com and log in. Once you're inside, either create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add audio. To add your own audio, click on your Media tab on the left side. Then, click the Import Media button. Select your audio file from your computer, or even drag and drop it into the window. Once uploaded, it will appear in your media library. Now, just drag your audio file from the media library down to the timeline. Place it on the audio track below your video clips. You can trim, split, or adjust the volume using the toolbar right above the timeline. Don't you have your own audio? Click the Music and SFX tab to browse your Clipchamp's free sound library. Just drag any audio clip you like straight into your timeline. And that's it.